Hi, I'm Karen Gray.
I'm Danielle.
Welcome, Barrier Breakers. We're here with you, asking you to join us on the road to equity. We have a great resource entitled The Road to Equity, the 5 C's to Construct an Equitable Classroom. And why is this topic of diversity, inclusion, and equity so important?
Because it's happening right now in our current events. It's time for us to start a friendly conversation, start a narrative, start changing the narrative for our students, for everybody, okay?
Absolutely. And if we don't start having this conversation, we leave each leader, each educator to decide what is fair, what is just, and what is equitable based on their own life experiences. So we have to start the conversation. Are you with me, Barrier Breakers? If so, how can you contact us?
Visit us at our website, www.mkresultsllc.com. We'll see you there, friends.
Join us.